Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.